So go ahead and pick up one of these feeling wheels. So we're going to use the feeling wheel, and I want you to think about how you're feeling about what happened today. So how this works is we're going to start at the very center where it says start here. And then you're going to choose a base feeling that describes how you're feeling about what happened. So you can choose angry, sad, happy, bad, or surprised. And then you're going to go towards the outside of that base feeling. So for example, maybe if you're feeling angry, you can go out another layer, and then you can see here that there's more feelings. So are you feeling more humiliated type of angry, or are you feeling more mad or aggressive? And then even as you go further out, you're going to see more specific, even more specific feelings that describe the type of anger that you might be feeling. So maybe with the type of anger, you might be feeling let down, but is that let down more betrayed, or I feel more resentful? So for example, in a situation that I might be in or that you might be in, maybe you feel angry and then you feel frustrated and then you feel much more annoyed as the most specific feeling. So go ahead and take a look. How are you feeling about what happened today?
I would say I feel sad, but not just sad, I feel hurt. And I think in that hurt, I also feel really disappointed.
Thank you for sharing that. And as you look at this, sometimes there's multiple feelings that we might have around the feeling wheel that can be completely opposite to sad or even somewhere similar. Is there anything else in the feeling wheel that you feel? And you can keep going more specific and more specific.
I think in addition to disappointed, I also just feel a little bit angry in my disappointment. I feel a little bit let down. And in feeling let down, I kind of feel resentful to this person too.
Wow. So it sounds like you're feeling angry, but more specifically let down and resentful, but you also feel kind of sad, hurt, and disappointed.